How goes it? It's me, Jules, back in the camper for part 5 of this series. I've gotten a lot of the major components painted here in the pop-up, and now it's time to move on to the smaller projects, which include doors and drawers that have to be taken apart, painted, and reinstalled. But first, I got a few packages in the mail today. So, I'm going to share those with you and go from there. So I got just a few items here. Some that'll help with this project and others that are just good to have. I've got some trim that'll be used for the countertops, and I've got these furniture bumpers. They're just like tiny silicone bubbles almost on the inside of the drawers, so that when you close them, it won't make any loud noises or damage the cabinet. So I've got this trim here. Still waiting on the bathroom door trim, which will come in later on this week, hopefully. So when I bought the camper, it came with one wheel chock, which is just not enough. I'm using bricks now, which is not efficient. I'm not going to carry those with me wherever I go. So these will help. And if you're not sure what a wheel chock is, I'm sure if you're a camper, you own a camper, you'll know. From what I hear, these are lifesavers. You don't want your camper rolling off on you in the middle of the night. That wouldn't be nice. So this, I'm not even sure I need this. This was 12 bucks. It's a, you know, if it sounds like I'm new to camping, it's because I am. So it's a 30 amp to 50 amp adapter. I read that a lot of the campgrounds out there have 50 amp plugs standard. I'm not sure how true that is. If I don't need it, so be it, but if I do, I have it. I was told that spare fuses were good to have on standby just in case you blew a fuse. So I bought an assortment of fuses. That's it, nothing special. Hopefully one day I'll have a use for these items, which I think I will. I am new to camping, so if you have any suggestions on items I might need for my camping experience, leave a comment below. See, I got a finished drawer here. I'm gonna test out these bumpers, see how they work out. See, I placed one at each corner here. Alright, that looks pretty good. Almost forgot. I also got a surge protector. So I'm glad I thought ahead. Just a quick tip. If you're repainting cabinets and you're removing doors, label where they go, so you have an idea at least when you get to that point. So this one's bottom sink, under stove, and this one, we got the sink here, but I'm missing one. Found it. See, it wasn't labeled, but that one goes down here. It's the only tall door, so that's got to be it. So I'm gonna start with the kitchen cabinets. That way I can start cooking. Maybe a little gumbo or jambalaya. Now let's be honest, it's probably gonna be PB&J first. So I've decided to move into my shed just to give me a little bit more room. I've got the hardware pulled off on these doors here. Gonna do a little bit more sanding, but I've upgraded. This will make things a lot easier. The laminate is just peeling off. I guess from being out in the heat so long. It's so brittle. but got to take it off. I was able to pull most of that laminate off. Not much else to do but paint. So I've got the doors painted for the dining area and for the kitchen. So now it's time to install them. And like that, they're done. I've got a little touching up to do here and there. Missing a door back here. I'm gonna go do that real quick. And like that, the kitchen and dining cabinets are complete. Again, still have some touching up to do where I missed. But other than that, looks pretty good. Up next, got these cabinets to paint. And that'd be it. I can start taking tape off, cleaning up, getting it back to normal. But for now, I gotta run. If you enjoyed this particular video, consider subscribing and giving me a like. It lets me know how I'm doing. And do what matters to you.
Got out just in time.